Hello, dear viewers. I'm Mohammad Azruddin from Web Trainings Academy. In this today's video, I'm very excited to share with you the new design and the new version of Google AdWords, which is right now in beta edition, and only certain accounts are being given the access to it based on invitation. So I'm really excited to share with you what is this new interface, what are the changes have been which have been done by Google. So you can see here on the screen right away that what are the things you know basically the new interface look like. So if you, I'll just go with the overview of all the things which have been changed. So if you see on the left hand side, previously if you remember, on the left hand side we used to have a menu, right? And we used to have a certain type of shade library on the left side. Now that has been removed from the left side, and that has been moved into this small segment. If you see here, here we have received, that is, the shade library has moved under this segment right now. That is the one thing. And we used to have menus over here. If you remember, we used to have opportunities, we used to have campaigns, we used to have reports, etc. So that has been also moved down. And what they have did now with this particular version is, if you check out on the left hand side, all the information, that is, if you just minimize this, you will just go to the all campaigns tab, and if you just want to create and search any campaign, all of that data will be available right away from this particular left side menu. So right now, and also here is our reports concept, which was actually a menu in the version, in our older version. Now it has been given way to a separate reports tab, dashboards, etc. options as well. And also, if I just told you about the different tools, so now you can see almost many options which were available on the top, like in the form of tools and all that stuff. You see all of that has been moved. Now this was as a menu actually. Under tools, it has now moved under planning. Then shared library from left side, from over here, it is moved here. And the same way, bulk actions is also moved here. And if you remember, this measurement, that is conversions, was available over here on the top in the form of tools. Now that has also been changed. And as we know, setup and billing, already it was there here. Sorry, under the settings only. Now it has been organized in a proper way. So this way we know that almost everything what we are saying is similar, but Google have made some changes to the campaign and other parts. We will go into that details in a while now. So I hope you understood the basic idea here, that almost everything is similar. In terms of design, they have made some pretty good number of changes. So they have revamped the whole structure of the system, that we can clearly see from here. Now we would like to see what exactly is provided in the campaign. Did they make any structural changes? Did they make any logical changes? Let's have a look at that option. So here under, okay, as we already know, here you see the opportunities tab is not removed. It is still available here, which used to be somewhere here after the campaigns. Now it is available above the campaigns in the similar format. That's okay, not a big problem. So let's see under the campaign. So here, see, I'm going under the campaign and click on the plus symbol. Right now here we will see a big change here. Let's see what's the change we have got is, okay, create a new campaign or from load from settings, that's fine. But now we got a completely different interface. If you remember, in our previous version of Google AdWords, we used to have complete campaign in one list itself, where we can select in the drop down. But now they made a change and many things are removed. For example, search plus display is gone, right? See, shopping is there, video is there, universal is there. But you see, major campaigns are there, but search plus display has been removed from this particular list. So now let's see what exactly is the search part. Click on the search part. Okay. So we got, select the actions you would like customers to take. Okay. If you want to go for visit website, okay, we can give a website and we can start. Okay, right. Let's see. I'm just going through all this so we can have an overview of what exactly is happening. Buy on your website, express interest in your website. Okay, let's see. This goals expose settings and tips to help you close a sale. All conversion with customers who are ready to act. Okay, right. And then we also have, let's remove the goals. It's pretty really different because if you see almost everything completely structure is changed. In fact, the interface, everything, settings and all, I think we'll get in the next step. Okay, let me just type in here use goals. Fine, I just want to go with this is optional settings anyway. So let's just continue to find out what they provide further. Okay, right. So they first are adding campaign name. Okay, I would say web trainings. Okay, now okay, here we have got the whole structure again back. So what we got here, okay, include search partners. Okay, right. Now if you remember, we have search plus display network. The same setting is available, but as a this feature, that is, you say no or you say yes. If you select yes, it becomes search plus display. If you select no, it will become a normal search campaign. So okay, so some structural change, I don't want that. Now ads will be shown on all eligible devices as it was usually. Country, location, language, almost everything. Let's see the settings. Yeah, almost everything is same. Daily budget, as we regularly know about this concept. Okay, start date, site extensions. Okay, yeah, almost everything is similar. Not many big changes in the interface, but the first screen they changed it. Okay, but everything is almost similar, right? Let's go ahead. Okay, in the ad group, let's say web designing course, default bid equal to 10 rupees. Okay, enter the keywords here. Fine. We are going with phrase match, so I have added this. Next, okay, we can even search for keyword ideas. That's a good point. Save and continue. Or what is this exactly? All right, so we can create another ad group also. Oh, great. Fine. I just want to save and continue. I guess next step should be an ad. Well, it's an ad. So for this keywords, what's an ad? Let's see. Yeah, that is almost pretty same. No change at all, as we already know about this part. So www.webtrainings.in, learn web designing course. I'm just adding, just quickly, just to see what things they have changed off. Okay, save and continue. All right, yeah, it's almost same. Mainly, I would say that they have changed the places, they have changed the interface areas and all. And also, if you remember, we had settings, we had scheduling and all that stuff are available. So pretty much same actually. If you go ahead, it is almost similar, but they have structurally just changed the concept. That's it. Almost everything is as usual. So if I just click on campaigns, you see I've got a campaign. Now when I click on a campaign, I'm getting an ad group as usual. Yeah, that's almost similar, right? Let's see what information we can change here. Yeah, over here you see I'm getting a complete structural option which are already enabled. So I may get campaign name, ad group 1, ad group 2, and so on the left hand side. Very interesting. And okay, let's see, did they made any changes in the conversion creation process? Any change happened in conversion creation process? Let's have a look at that. Right. Oh, almost same, no change. So they are following, I believe, let's see. So are they following this material design concept of maybe Google material design concept they are using for layout, I believe. Yeah, but almost fine. It's almost the similar concept, right? Let's see what change. Okay, search keywords, right? Negative keywords, search terms almost same. Auction insights, okay. So the graph which we used to have regularly, yeah. Show and okay, which type of keywords you want to see, right? Same. Almost we can add labels, auction insights, search term. That's fine. Very nice, interesting. And audience tab as usual we have here to see who are our audience and customers. Demographics tab. Okay, great. Okay, device customization. Yeah, device bit adjustment. We already had this in our previous concept also. Yeah, ads and extensions. Right, extensions is just below. Right. So almost we can see. In short, I can tell you that the whole structure, which we have just gone through this just briefly, but what we can say here is almost everything is as it is, right? Only thing what Google have did is they have made some main structural changes into overall design of the adverts. Let's see display marketing. Yeah, this was already there from many years. We used to see this, right? Shopping, okay, normal. Video, yeah, they have made basically the back-end structural changes they have made. They haven't made any lot of new features or something. Just they have changed the look and feel and one universal look for overall concept. That's what this interface is all about. So I hope you really enjoyed the video, and I'm hoping so. You know, first everyone will get this access very soon. So until that, who are in invite mode, they can do a lot of experiments and see how it is working, what type of how easy it is to work out with this system. Right. Till then, you know, we have to just go through existing account and existing design. Many of my accounts haven't been approved for beta testing. Some of my client accounts has been approved for beta testing. So on that only, I am showing you an example of this campaign. Right. Hope you have enjoyed this video, and let's see as Google evolve this design, how it works, how many new features they add in. Then we can really say whether it's a very new, very good design or not. But it's not. It's pretty. It's very early to say whether it's a good design or bad. But overall, they have made up one consistent layout, consistent structuring. That is a good point about this. So hope you have enjoyed the video. If you like our video, please like and please hit the like button as well as share our video, and also I would request you to subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you very much.